Hi Saber Forum, it's me again. It's been a while. I actually got two sabers recently, not too long ago. One just came today, and one of them is my entry for the summer raffle. The other one I got a couple weeks ago, but due to some stuff going on in my life, I just haven't had a chance to upload them. So I'm going to do the first one here. This one is the Fulcrum, the Ahsoka Tano one. I've been wanting this one for a while. As you can see, I got it with the black box but the silver switch. I also chose the blue button on here. By the way, both this and the button are purely cosmetic. They don't do anything. Same thing for this. I got it with the gold CoverTech wheel, although I may switch this gold CoverTech wheel on one of my on this other saber, on my entry, my summer raffle entry. So, without further ado, let me turn it on. I got it in Sunrider's Destiny, which is a color I definitely love. So this has been really awesome. I love it. It's a good saber. The main downside, and I don't know why I didn't figure out, but I didn't until I got it, is that, I don't know if you can notice, it's a little heavy, or it's a little thick for me. Probably the big takeaway, the big disappointment for me is this, how thick this is. And with this thing here, it makes it hard even to get a good two-hand grip on it, just with the placement of the buttons. But I still like it. To me, it's probably going to be as a showpiece. Like, I'll leave it with the blade, and maybe I'll put it up over here or something, and just, you know, have it as a display piece. Kind of like, as you can see, my Scorpion, my Crimson Scorpion. It's probably what I'll do. I'll find a place to just display it. Maybe over on that table over there. Just leave it over there and stuff for fun. So, because it's definitely a cool saber. I love the color. Again, I love the Sunrider's Destiny color. Sorry, brain fade. It's really hot up here. I think it's hitting triple digits, and my brain's turning to a jello. Or it's turning to a pudding, really. And if you can tell, it's an Ultra Edge mid-grade. 32 inch, I believe, 32 inch blade with a rounded tip on it. Now, again, without further ado, this was my entry into the summer contest, summer sweepstakes. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. It's the Bellicose, obviously. Got it with the stock red button. I got this again with basic sound. All my sound sabers have basic sound. I just don't have the money to really put into buying, you know, going with the premium sounds or anything like that. So you can see it's got the pommel, but it's got the pommel with the other grooves in it. The ones that are more easy to see than the other one. And again, like I said, what I'll probably do, because this is a black CoverTech wheel, it's hard to see. I might just swap it out with like this gold one and just swap them out. As you can see, I got it with this, again, Ultra Edge mid-grade blade, which I love these. I love the Ultra Edge mid-grades. They hold up nicely and they show the colors well. Got it with the pointed tip. Now, and then I got it with an illuminated black switch on it. And let's turn it on and you'll see what color I got it. So, if you can't tell, I got it in fire orange. I even got the orange switch, illuminated switch to match. And unfortunately on here it looks a little yellow, but as I'm looking at it separately, it does really, the orange really sets itself off nicely. It just unfortunately doesn't show up well on photos. So I really like it. I've been wanting this one for a while, and it's definitely not disappointed me. I love it. Ultrasabers once again did very well on this saber. Yeah, I got with the black blade holder there, not the silver one, the black one. The only downside, and it's just minor, it's just maybe even to the point of nitpicky. Personally, just with the way the shroud, I like the way the shroud is, but I think for me personally, what I would have done is I would have taken this and put it here. That's just my own personal thing. So that way, I don't know, it just looks a little. It still looks good. Don't get me wrong. I'm not complaining too much, but I just think it would have looked better just like up here or here-ish. But like I said, that's fairly. That's probably that's my only complaint on this. And like I said, very minor cosmetic. So once again, Ultrasabers has done it. It's a beautiful saber. I love it. This may be like maybe my second or third favorite, probably my third favorite saber I own right now. And the only sabers I buy from are Ultrasabers. I just haven't seen anything price wise or anything like that looks anywhere near as appealing or has quite the options and the customizability of it that Ultrasabers does. So great job, Ultrasabers. Another good one. Thank you.